Housing and property are among the key issues in John Lee's policy address. The chief executive said the Hong Kong Monetary Authority is relaxing the loan-to-value ratios of property mortgage loans, which would make it easier for people to buy a flat. Meanwhile, under the new Capital Investment Entrant Scheme, property investment of over $50 million by applicants will be counted towards the total capital investment. Timothy Lee tells us more.
In his policy address at the Legislative Council, Chief Executive John Lee made repeated references to property-related issues in the city.
I do want to help people to buy their own flats if they can afford it. And from a lot of opinions which I receive in the consultation, the desire of Hong Kong people to buy their own flats continues to appear very strongly.
Under the latest property measures, the maximum loan-to-value ratio for all residential properties will be adjusted to 70%. The mortgage payment-to-income ratio will be adjusted to 50%. The same applies to non-residential properties, with mortgage payment-to-income ratio rising from 40% to 50%. The Hong Kong Monetary Authority said the measure brings the loan-to-value ratios back to 2009 levels, emphasizing that the HKMA still has sufficient buffers to handle market fluctuations. Meanwhile, under the new Capital Investment Entrant Scheme, applicants are allowed to invest in residential properties provided that the transaction price of a single property is above $50 million. A portion of the investment could be counted towards the minimum investment threshold, subject to a cap of $10 million.
They feel this is a place where they will get their, whatever dream business or, where they feel more secure with their family. And if someone has that amount of money, then definitely.
But not all share the same view.
Seems a bit high to me, yeah. I think they need to lower it, yeah.
That's a lot. Even for France, it's quite high, actually. So, yeah, we're quite surprised, actually, seeing the numbers.
Many people have said the minimum property price of $50 million under the new Capital Investment Entrant Scheme is far too high. Some have said similar measures have been adopted in other countries with a far lower price threshold. Timothy Lee, TVB News.